paisani, it's still the 19. The word tonight, not today, but tonight, is arricambare. Ora m'arricambavo. What does that mean? It means I just got home. Mi sono ritirata adesso. That's how you say it in Italian. Ritirare, arricambare, to come home. We just finished feeding over 2,000 homeless for the Annalisa Christmas Feed the Homeless project, and what a turnout considering what's going on with the COVID. We still managed to feed over 2,000 homeless. I'm very proud, but I'm exhausted. So on that note, I will bid you good night. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more Sicilian words. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo!